Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to crashing TikTok problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open your iPhone settings and check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this, go back. Open your setting again and tap on general and tap on software update and update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And after this, go back. Now tap on App Store and tap on search bar now and search on TikTok. Check for update. If not updated your app, you need to update your TikTok app. And after this, go back. After this, your problem still not solved, then restart your iPhone. So your problem will be fixed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.